Hello viewers, welcome to one more video on consumer rights. And before I start my discussion, with the God's grace, I survived an accident. And through this video, I want to appeal to all of you that wear helmet while riding bike. And I could be able to make the video within the short span of time, even though when I am in a recovery mode. It's only because I had wore a helmet and I had only injuries on my body, and my mind, my brain, everything is working perfect. So I urge all of you to wear helmet during the bike ride and do not take life easy. Having said that, this video is talking about the rights of people, maybe the business house, or even it can be uh, the workers in the business house, or even it can be a consumer. So I am talking about the business of direct selling. Now, what is this direct selling that I am talking about? I am talking about two parties who are involved with the business, that is a license holder, maybe a trademark license, or maybe a license of service mark. This man, or even he can be a manufacturer by himself, he is directly selling to the end user. Now that is what is direct selling is all about. Now just to give examples of direct selling, you may come across with Amway and other products which I am going to display here. So these are the certain things which you have to keep in mind, that they are the one who are doing direct selling business. And there's another thing, during late 90s and early 2000, this was very commonly used, commonly used method was pyramid method. The pyramid method is also commonly or popularly known as multi-level marketing. So direct selling is that is multi-level marketing is a kind of a direct selling. So what the law, how the law looks at it, because now from 1990s, late 1990s to today, a lot of things have changed. Digital marketing has become the regular method, or the in thing which you cannot avoid. Under these circumstances, how direct selling is working in this digital world, and what are the rights that we should be aware about. And at the same time, there are other systems that has to be kept in mind, is that direct sellers are involved in one-to-one sale. There is a salesman coming here and selling. You also must have experienced that some people may come and sell those dictionaries and sometimes encyclopedia, saying that this is an offer we are making and we are students and it's a part of the process. These are the direct sale methods, and whether they are valid, absolutely not. Now they have made the law very clear that such misleading sale by calling themselves as students and other things, they are all prohibited under the new law. There is a party plan sale. I think I had a personal experience of it long time back, where the Japan mattress was popular, was amongst youngsters, because not because they were impressed with the product, but because it was a kind of money making scheme, where there was a pyramid scheme, and if you sell the Japan mattress to others, they are going to join in, and you are going to start getting commissions. And they used to call a huge meeting. People used to come, talk about the mattress product, talk about the scheme, how you can make money. All these things were done, and these are all part of direct selling. Now when this direct selling happens, what are the concerns that we should be worried about? See, the first concern is of the company. Now company involving in direct selling, it won't be very cost effective, because they have to employ a lot of people. So it's not advisable for companies to go for direct selling, but they can always utilize direct selling as one of the method, like have a website and sell it. So when you are browsing through website, say Facebook, suddenly a shirt comes up or a sari comes up, and they say that these are available at cheapest rate and other things. They are the one who are doing the direct selling. But as a customer, we should be protecting ourselves against the direct selling, because they are generally unsafe, and the problem here is they are faulty, and the worst problem is after sale service, absolutely nothing, because they don't have any physical existence in the town. So they come directly to your house and sell, and then they disappear. So after sale service is a major issue, and misleading and overpricing is also very commonly found in the direct selling, because direct selling is considered to be fly by night operators, and that is why there is a need for a strong law, and there is a need for protecting the customers in this regard. So as a customer, what should we try to understand? Say first thing, now in the present generation, the people coming to home, knocking the door and asking for it, it's wrong. They have to take a prior appointment and other things. Keep that aside. But when you venture into website, as a customer, we need to check the registered address. There are three possibilities. There is a company may be selling, direct selling it to you, or maybe a partnership firm, or maybe a limited partnership firm. Anything other than these three trying to sell a product, they are into an illegal activity. So do not venture into, do not engage in those illegal activities. Website should give you all the informations, like office address. They are supposed to have one physical office existing within India, and that should be operating. They should give you all the details like phone numbers, emails, and those all should be working. So these are the certain precautions that you must take before going for purchase from those direct sellers. So another important thing is the new law prohibits the pyramid scheme. So where as and when the sale goes down, you are going to get more and more commissions, and money circulation schemes are also prohibited. And for your information, it's been prohibited from long time, but still the Ponzi schemes do happen in India. But one thing that you have to keep in mind is, in these money circulation scheme, now it is an obligation of the consumers to bring it to the notice of the commission and stop it. So this is some of the things that you have to keep in mind as a consumers while dealing with a direct seller. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share this video for the benefit of general public. Thank you very much.